it's Ronnie. Just in case you never know. Overall, of a big up Jaja Foundation. You don't know. A good thing them a do.
Jaja Foundation. That's right. That's where it's at right now. New York, New Jersey, the whole team, big up, the whole color squad there, fresh.
Steadily, deadly, you don't know it's dirty and that's the deal. Logie Lou, smoother do. A bigging up Jaja Foundation, so the realness from the start, you see me?
Jaja got his eyes on you. Watch every move you make. Jaja Foundation, I don't know enough.
Bossa, hear me no Jaja Foundation. Let Jah rise and make the enemy them scatter. Jaja Foundation, how we have up the bossa. Jaja Foundation, we have the bossa. Table and the Arab and the Jadat and the Bone Crusher. Hey, we sing sweeter than the boy Usher. Them no know liquor Zeke, so them call tougher. And the young generation where them can't go for. Me say we cut neat than a stone cutter. Me say like puff that the chest a go and puffer. Hey, Foundation, Jaja Foundation. How we have up the bossa. A Jamaica, bossa.
You don't know where they're in the dance hall right now. DJ Kenny represent. You see it? Jaja Foundation. Uptown Monday. Boom, DJ Kenny.
So we're going to turn you over to Richie Stevenson, one of the biggest icons in a Jamaican and all over the world. Dancehall and reggae and soul. One of our icons. We love him so much. Richie Stevenson.
Yes, sir, you don't know what's going on. Right now, we love the whole idea and the whole concept of what Jaja Foundation are dealing with. Because you don't know, say health over wealth. And we're in the session right now, but the important thing is to know what are going on within your body and within your temple. And we understand, say, there are various tests that is going on upstairs by Jaja Foundation. Diabetes tests, AIDS tests, hypertension, and all these tests. As a matter of fact, me just come from upstairs, go do my tests, saying health over wealth every time.
This is Dr. Dixon at the Jaja Foundation with the one and only Beanie Man, the doctor for the dance hall.
Jaja Foundation is here to represent the people. The people, when they want a free HIV test, when they want to check if you know say no fit or not fit, if you know say no healthy or not healthy, seeing Jaja Foundation.
It's Bounty Killer, and we are here at Uptown Mondays in Kingston, Jamaica, with the Jaja Foundation from New York and New Jersey. They are here to offer free health care, and this is a great effort, a good venture, and we are asking people all over the world to join and be a part and support the Jaja Foundation. We are here with Dr. Dixon and all the other doctors from the Jaja Foundation. And we just want to say that we appreciate the effort that they are making to offer the free health care to our nation in Jamaica. And we are asking the world, be a part of Jaja Foundation. Jaja, creation, the foundation. Big up on yourself. We're loving this. Dr. Dixon.
And this is Jaja Foundation. Enough respect, Bounty Killer.
Respect,
Warlord. We love Jamaica, you love Jamaica, you fight for Jamaica.
Yo.
We fight for Jamaica. Jaja Foundation.